I was toting my pack on the road to the Sandman Hotel when along came some geologists. They looked at me and said, well, if you want to learn about mining, then GeoVenture's a real good feature. I said, sure do, and how do you do? And this is great for teachers. So then I climbed up on the bus and saw the friendly faces of the guys and gals who'd be my pals as we visit some cool places. We're from everywhere, man, we're from everywhere, man. From up north and down south, man, Alberta and Saskatchewan, man. For mining, we're on the tour, man. We come from everywhere. We're from Mormon, York, to Vermilion. What fun is Saskatchewan, Outlook, Purdue, woohoo, Rocanville, Sydney, PA, okay. Hanley, Aberdeen, Dinsmore, want more? Hillacross, Hepburn, Humboldt, Flanagan. We teachers came from far and wide, so buckle up, enjoy the ride. So, Saskatchewan's geology is made up of rich history. We're known for our prairies and sky, but there's more than meets the eye. Where elements and minerals are buried deep beneath the ground, millions of years and many eras are the reasons they're around. It all happens for a reason if you look for all the clues. So here's a little timeline to explain it all to you. Archean, Protozoa, those are both the Cambrian, and then Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Mississippian, Pennsylvanian, Permian, Jurassic, Cretaceous, are Mesozoic. Saskatchewan was an ocean, now we're finding buried treasure. We went everywhere, man, we went everywhere, man, from down south to up north, man, below and above ground, man, by busing car and plane, man, we went everywhere. We went to Saskatoon, Johnson, PhD, SNAC, Brooklyn, Richmond, Brody, Bunch, Ornat, Pump River, West Carolina, Pasadena, Wichita, Double Plain, Mosaic, Regina, Corlett, Cigar Lake, Capital, Plain Lake, Orano, we saw potash, gold, uranium, rock cores, mining's everywhere. From down south to up north now, below and above ground now, so put your hard hats on now, mining's everywhere. So now our tour is at an end, and we have all made some good friends. We've learned a lot and had some laughs as we traveled the province end to end. Big thanks to our fearless leaders, we wouldn't be lost without you. Pam, Brad, Hillary, Megan, and David too. Your expertise and patience made the tour a treat. When it comes to big ass learning, you sure can't be beat.